Welcome to the AI Optimized Scholarship Application Tracker, a comprehensive system for organizing your scholarship applications with the support of tailored AI tools. Start with the Begin Here tab to review the tracker's layout, understand the workflow, and make sure you're using each section to its full potential. If you've never used ChatGPT before, begin with the ChatGPT Guide tab. It explains how to access the platform and gives tips for effective prompt writing and editing support. Use the Optimize with AI tab for prompt templates tailored to scholarship applications, including personal stories, financial need statements, community involvement summaries, and thank you letters. In this tab, store the link to each scholarship and also the specific version of your resume, personal statement, and prep materials used for that application. This makes version control easy and strategic adjustments faster. Use the Tracker tab to monitor application status, deadlines, award amounts, and required documents, so you never miss an opportunity. With the AI-optimized scholarship tracking system, the interviews are bound to start rolling in, and this tracker can even help you keep track of those as well. And that's it. This workbook will help you stay on track and make your scholarship search way easier. If you found this helpful, like, share, and follow us on social media. Happy scholarship hunting!